Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. And in settings you should see this page once you open them, the settings, the main page of settings. Scroll through this page and look for the sounds and vibration, and once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called vibration strength. Tap on it, and right here we have 3 levels of vibration. We have none, so if you select this one, your vibration will be turned off completely. Then we have weak, I don't know if you can hear it, but basically it's quite short, and not that strong. And then we have strong. It's longer and a lot stronger than the weak one. So select the one you like and then tap on OK. You can also turn on off the haptics for the crown. So basically when you rotate the crown, you can feel the haptics on your watch, but you can turn it off if you don't like it. Okay, and then we can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.